up, guys? Today I'm here ready to keep playing my Halloween games. And I am at the vampire's haunted house. Today here, he came with all his friends and everyone brought a bag to put all candies in. And they've been playing games the full afternoon. It's time to check and count how many candies they got. Let's do it. Time to share. Woohoo! Okay, werewolf and the scarecrow. The werewolf got 7 points, 7, and the scarecrow got 6. So come on, candies for them. Come on, candies. Whoa, 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 whoa. Great. 7 candies for the werewolf. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candies for the scarecrow. So the werewolf's bag is fuller than the scarecrow's, right? Yes, his is fuller than his. Yes, great, well done. Okay, time for the ballerina and the astronaut. The ballerina got 5 candies and the astronaut got 3. Oh, I'm sorry for you. Come on, 3 candies, but big ones, okay? 3 for you. And 5 for the ballerina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great, okay. So whose bag is fuller? The ballerina's bag is fuller than the astronaut's, right? Her bag is fuller than his. Great. Okay, what else? Who comes next? The pirate and the explorer. Pirate and explorer. The pirate got 4. Okay, 4 candies for him. And the pirate, Gail, she got 8. 8 points. Good for you. So come on, give them their candies. Woo, 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 woo. Great. Nice candies. So who's got the fuller bag? The pirate's bag is fuller than the explorer's, right? Her bag is fuller than his. Yes. Great. There were 3 people with a lot of candies, but the super winner is the pirate. She got the fullest bag of candies. Great.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids! Let's keep learning with the adjectives comparatives. Remember that are the words we use to compare things. So for example, you have a car is very fast, but if you want to compare to transports, you can say the car is faster than the bike and you put ER, okay? So let's complete the rules. We usually add ER, make a circle to the word at the end. So as the example, faster, and you write it here, faster. If a word has only 1 syllable, we just add ER. So for big, it's big. And remember to double the consonant G, 2 G's, okay? Bigger. If a word has 2 syllables and ends in Y, we change the Y to IER. So we have happier, okay? And for long words, we use more intelligent, so that is what we need to write more. Some words are special, like good, and for them we need to remember the new form, better, okay? Better. So this is good, this is better than whatever, okay? So this is to compare, better. The example is my sister is taller than me. That could be, right? So let's just write taller than me. Great. And now let's go for this second activity. Fill the blanks with the adjectives and don't forget to compare using ER or more, okay? So let's go. The vampire's costume is what? Darker, fuller, scarier, or bigger? I think that it will be darker. The vampire's costume is darker than the witches. Okay, well done. The ghost candy pot is fuller or bigger, right? I think it's fuller here. Is fuller than the wizards. The skeleton pumpkin is bigger. This is super easy. Is bigger than the mummies. And finally, the werewolf's costume is more scary or scarier. You can say both here. It's scarier than the scarecrows. Yes? And this is it. Okay? Well done. Remember, to compare, you need ER at the end of the word or this word before the adjective, more. Good job.